Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm feeling a little bit under the weather, but I'll be fine. In today's video, I'm showing you guys some Amazon Halloween finds that I got to create some cute Halloween gift packages for kids. These are Halloween gift bags that we're going to use to put goodies in, and we found some Halloween lollipops. Actually, these are some ring pops with skulls, and these are pretty cool. I haven't seen these before, but I think the kids are going to love these. And this is my favorite so far. These are Halloween theme cups. These cups are color changing, so once you put liquid in these, then the color changes a bit. And I thought it would be creative, it would be fun to fill these cups with Halloween goodies, novelty toys, treats, candy, and all that good stuff. And afterwards, you still have the cup to use for the rest of the season or even whenever. I got this box from Amazon. It's filled with novelty Halloween toys, stickers, tattoos, skulls, bracelets, stamps, everything you can think of Halloween style. So these are some of the items that we'll be putting in these gift packages. So let's get started. So I'm starting off by using the lid of the cup as a base, and I rest the cup onto the lid and put the straw inside the cup. Now I'm going to fill the cup with all the goodies and candies. These are the final result, guys, and aren't these spooky cups and gift packages just super cute? Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.